Now Willie had a girl whose name was Millie, and Millie kept a budgie in a cage. And every time that Willie called on Millie, the little budgie flew into a rage. Said Millie, I believe that Budgie's jealous. He keeps telling me he loves me more than you. But Willie said, absurd, don't listen to that bird, 'cause what he says, it simply is not true. Oh, Millie dear, I've told you that I love you. I'm hoping, Millie, that you love me too. So don't believe a word of a jealous little bird, and don't ever doubt my love for you is true. I tell you what, we'll run away and marry, 'cause that's the very thing I want to do. My heart is all afire, and your silly bird's a liar, 'cause Willy, nilly, Millie, I love you. Said Millie, Willie, you're a silly Billy, to think that I could love a little bird. And now you tell me truly that you love me. Well, that's the nicest thing I've ever heard. But Willie, don't be hard on little Budgie. He doesn't often get into a rage, and you might start to curse and make things even worse, to be shut up all day inside a cage. So Willie, now you've told me that you love me, and I've told you that I love you too. You must forget the word of a jealous little bird, and believe me when I say our love is true. Said Willie, right, we'll run away and marry, 'cause that's the only thing I want to do. Your bird may be a flyer, but I still think he's a liar, 'cause Willy, nilly, Millie, I love you. We'll leave him in the lurch. We'll knock him off his perch, 'cause Willy, nilly, Millie, I love you. I really do, you know. It's wonderful. It's wonderful to be in love with you. So marvelous. It's marvelous. It thrills me through and through. Every little breeze seems to whisper, Louise. Birds in the trees seem to twitter, Louise. Each little rose tells me, knows, I love you. I love you. Every little beat that I feel in my heart seems to repeat what I felt at the start. Each little sigh tells me that I adore you, Louise. Just to see and hear you means joy I never knew. But to be so near you, it thrills me through and through. Anyone can see that I wanted your kiss. It had to be, but the wonder is this. Can it be true? Someone like you could love me, Louise. Every little breeze seems to whisper, Louise. And birds in the trees seem to twitter, Louise. And each little rose tells me it knows I love you. I love you. Every little beat that I feel in my heart seems to repeat what I felt at the start. Each little sigh tells me that I adore you, Louise. Just to see and hear you means joy I never knew. But to be so near you, it thrills me through and through. Anyone can see that I wanted your kiss. It had to be, but the wonder is this: can it be true someone like you could love me, Louise, could love me, Louise.